reggae. My rakata. You look smart this time.
You need to warn that secretary of yours. She's a nuisance and she's getting on my nerves. On normal circumstances, am I supposed to go through protocols before I can see you?
Calm down, baby. I'm sorry about that. So you need to take it easy. I'm going to talk to her about that. You need to take it easy. She's my secretary.
She's getting on my nerves, for God's sake.
Of course, you know this girl. She's only trying to do her job.
What job?
Okay, I'm sorry about that. I'm going to talk to her. She's my secretary. She's
You better do.
Okay, better. Reggae. My rakata. Up, daddy! Come on, give it to daddy. Yay! Great!
Okay. Just that you traveled without giving me anything for Christmas. I guess you went with all this your Rikiti and Rakata, right?
No, don't even go. See, let me tell you something. You are the only Rikiti and Rakata.
Yes!
Any other is a counterfeit.
Okay.
Both the Rikiti and Rakata. And you are the only one I've got, my baby. And you see, you know I'm a businessman, so I travel a lot. Like some weeks back, I was in America, from America to Germany to Russia. From Russia, I came back to Africa, in Ethiopia, to Nigeria, to China. Then, as I talked to you, I should be.
Okay, fine. Before you go back to the UK, I'm here to take both the Christmas and New Year gifts. And if you don't give it to me today, I'm not going to leave this office.
I work because of you, babe.
Better.
You should know that.
Yeah.
You know what I want you to do. Just tell me exactly.
Well, I just want to pick some shoes, bags, and clothes. And you know this new trendy hair in town? This bone straight. Yeah. I need to rock some too, you know?
Bone straight hair.
Yeah.
Wait. If I give you bone straight hair, I hope you are not going to bone me straight.
No, I'm going to Bokotoy.
You will what?
Bokotoy.
You will bokoto me.
Babe, you go film it.
Coyote.
Yes. Bokoto. Correct
okay.
one.
How much are we talking about?
About 250 or 300k.
Oh.
I know that's not money for you, so just bring it on.
I thought you were talking about money. Okay. Let me make the transfer.
No, babes. I don't want transfer. I want cash. Cash. I'm not ashamed.
I'm not here with cash. I can just transfer.
No, baby. The network issue is getting so tense these days. You don't even get here in 24 hours.
Okay, let me give you my ATM card.
That's be so sweet. And withdraw them.
You got it, baby.
Yes.
Let me give you my ATM
My
card.
stocks. Thank you, sir.
Oh, yeah. Baby, there you go. Have it.
Thank you.
Anything you see there,
Yes.
just withdraw it. It's your money. Spend my money.
Anything.
Anything.
Yes.
Anything.
Yes, baby.
I told you I will say so.
Baby, what's the menu? This year?
2021.
That's so sweet. That's so
2021 is that bean.
wow. I love that. I love that. So baby, you see, let me give you on my knee so that I can go make the withdrawal and get the things I want to pick up the things I want to pick.
Anything.
I'll be
you
right
see
back
that
to feed you
Any
all
amount.
night long.
You know what? Say that.
All night long. Oh my god, you're gonna enjoy me.
I want to eat mokoto.
Yes, you will eat mokoto.
I want to eat cow day.
Part one.
Yay!
That.
I'll
I take mine. Do you?
Yay!
I'll see you.
Oh my god.
Shortly.
You are just amazing.
Make sure you wait for me. I want to meet you on this.
I'm going to right here. I can be any amount you see that.
Wow.
Everything.
There's so much money in this account.
You are talking to the
Oh, why let me
Easy.
baby. Yeah. right here.
Great.
I'll see you, baby.
Alright.
See ya.
OPP. Yay. Great.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you too, baby. Drakata. I am the legend motivate moral. See, there's no cowboy in that account. I don't have any money there. It's a lie. Am I so stupid? Do you think I'm that stupid that I will give you my ATM card to go and withdraw everything I have here? Wait. It's like I don't have 1,300 or something. Maybe I will withdraw the money again. Come on, you can't guess here. But I think I'm very serious with this case today. I'll begin to show them the level. I think I'm down here. Come on. Bro, how far? Well, I'm good. Yeah, our business. Oh. The money. Okay, I have been paid. Good. No, wait, I don't understand. You did what? You sent the money to my account. Why? Why did you ask me first? Because I gave you my account number. Does that mean you should send it to my account? Guy, why now? Why do you have to do all this? Why you send the money? They say, 500,000 naira just now. Yeah. They go for me. They don't take where them they do it. They say,
what's wrong with you? Why are you crying?
I'm okay. Why are you crying?
You're crying. Baby, I don't understand.
I'm not crying.
Why are you crying?
How will I cry?
Why are you saying about to...
That is like I'm crying. I can't even let you cry.
Baby, calm down. Baby, you're crying.
I'm crying. If you listen how I to cry, I'm going to do it.
What's the problem? What's the issue? It's okay. Yes, you said I should. And I did.